to Tingyi, Kowloon and Hong Kong is arriving.
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops.
So, yan yung famous na Jenny Bakery. Check coffee.
开始巧克力区里斯香艳米，马斯皮索瓦。
Yan, ito na tayo sa K11. Walking distance lang. Nasa Mongkok na tayo.
Can I stay for one night?
We can spend
Thank you. Is it jelly? Yeah.
It is. So they invite different teams. opened on this site in 1862. And one of their very famous students was Dr. Sun Yat-sen. No matter how many people in the family, it was more children than nowadays. At that time, 50s, 60s, at least 4 and 5 children in one family, together with a parent herself only live in that room. So if you come to 60, they do allow you not to move anymore because you're familiar with the area, where to shop, how to travel, or your social life is still.
Tayo naman sa PMQ.
Three times, another the drum, 1, 3, so that to wake up the God.
Guys, nakaikot na ako sa Arbor City. Kaya nandito ako ngayon sa 1881 Heritage Building. Walking distance lang to sa Avenue of Stars. And free entrance. So make sure ganda mag-selfie dito. Ganda. Going to Hong Kong Museum of Art. Katabi lang siya ng cultural. Details of this chair. Ganda.
Came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pocket spirits in your product bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me. The bottle bag was a right thing running about the one time.
Parang normal lang na meron ganyan dito sa kalsada. Ayan yung famous na antique stores. Upper Lascar Row. Pero close pa yung iba. So, pag hapon, pag nag-open na yan, dyan yung mga spice factory. I think one of the most amazing things dito sa Hong Kong is that sobrang ganda ng urban planning nila. You can see na dito sa Central, uphill siya. So, pataas talaga lahat. Pero, ang daming locals. And ako, personally, 2 days pa lang ako dito. Pero, halos memorize ko na rin. And very commute-friendly lahat. So, that's how you know na maganda talaga yung community, maganda yung government here. So, dito sa Central, uphill siya. So, lahat pataas. And personally, inisip ko mahirap lakarin, mahirap puntahan. Pero sobrang commute-friendly niya because of ang ganda lang ng urban planning. So, merong elevator, merong escalator, may pataas. Pero, ang dali lang niyang ikutin. Pabalik na ako ng hotel muna. Tapos, mag-aayos ako. And then, after nun, pupunta na ako ng Macau. Magpapalit tayo ng damit. Sobrang hangin. So, yung dress ko, talagang hinahangin siya. So, magpapalit tayo ngayon.
For safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt while the bus is in motion. Take care of children and those in need. We wish you a pleasant journey.
So, we are now here in Macau. Time check, 2:30 PM na. Dalawang immigration din ako. I decided to drop off sa ibang bus station and explore tong city ng Macau. And try ko munang maglibot bago ko pumunta dun sa famous landmarks nila. So we are here in South Eat and they're offering contemporary Macanese cuisine. We ordered minchi, ito yung national dish ng Macau. Let's try it. Na-enjoy ko lang yung view. Nasa main area na ako ng Senado Square. Ang daming tao. One of the most beautiful thing I've seen. Ganda. kanina sa Macau, ligaw pa ako. Kasi sumakay ako ng bus. Tapos nakakaligaw dun kasi iba yung name na nakalagay. Tapos sumakay ako, iba pala yung ruta niya. So, nagtanong-tanong pa ako doon ng ending. Sumakay ako ng taxi and then sinabi sa akin na wala na raw ferry. So, pag pupunta kayo ng Macau, guys, tandaan nyo around 10:30 PM. Wala nang ferry. So, kailangan nyo mag-bus. So, for bus naman, madali lang siya. Mag-taxi kayo going to port and then bumili kayo ng bus ticket doon going to dito sa Hong Kong, HCMB. And then dito, buti na lang kahit I think 12 AM na, 12:30 AM na, meron pa rin bus going to Central, merong Tung Chung. So, finally, nakauwi na rin. Nakabalik na rin tayo ng last full day here in Hong Kong. So, more on city tour lang yung gagawin natin. More on chill day plus bili ng mga pasalubong. So, nadaan ako ng Mong Kok, Causeway Bay, Wan Chai, TST, and of course, Central. To check yung mga sinave ko. And then, before nun, siguro magpipicture muna ako kasi nakabili ako ng ticket via Klook. Tapusin ko muna yon and start na ako ng tour after. When you're in Central, prepare yourself kasi puro hagdan dito. Pero yun nga, sinabi ko sa kaninang vlog ko, you'll find something interesting talaga dito. Kaya, make sure na ikut-ikutin nyo din siya. Yan. So, hagdan na naman. After ng 2 rounds ng hagdan, meron ulit hagdan. Ikot lang tayo sa Central. Hanap tayo ng shrimp fried rice. So, kakain tayo ngayon sa Yukin Fast Food. Highly rated siya for their fried rice. So, this is the famous fried shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice. We are here in Litong Ave, Wan Chai.
So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So yeah. I'm done making my mind up now, cause you've been spinning my head around.
So yun na nga, pauwi na tayo guys, ito tayo. And that's the end of our Hong Kong and Macau trip.